What's going on, everyone? This is RFBM, Raising the Financial Bar with Mar. And today I just want to do a quick video about the American Express business checking account that they're currently promoting. So American Express has a bonus when opening a business checking account. So essentially you will earn 30,000 membership reward points after you maintain eligible deposits of $5,000 or more within 20 days of opening your first account and maintaining an average account balance of $5,000 for 60 days. And lastly, making 10 or more qualifying transactions within 60 days of opening your account. So that's free money right there. $300, aka 30,000 membership points that you could easily get if you're able, of course, to maintain that $5,000 bonus and deposit that amount of money within the 20 days. Now, I do understand that smaller businesses on the lower end that don't get the same amount of cash flow, this might be a little bit too steep. However, overall, the account still has some other features along with the bonus that makes it a solid product. So for starters, it does have one of the first key features of 1.1% annual percentage yield, and that's capped to 500,000. And upon looking at other companies' percentages, I'd say it's a pretty competitive rate. Now, the next key reward and benefit that they have is the no monthly maintenance fee. Now, I, from my own personal experience, have a couple of bank accounts that will charge you a fee if you don't maintain a certain balance. So I think this is a big plus, particularly for those of us that can't maintain a certain dollar amount. For example, I actually do have a Chase business bank account, and although it's a solid product, it charges me $15 monthly service fee because I do not maintain a certain dollar amount. I believe it was $2,000. So all in all, that's a pretty good feature. I personally have mostly credit unions because I like to avoid monthly service fees, regardless of if I have the money or not. Now, the last key feature that they mention here is the 24/7 support from specialists. And honestly, it does sound like it's just something they threw in there, but I have a couple of Amex credit cards, and their customer service is one of the best out of all the banks that I currently have. Now, one thing that I want to definitely establish is that this account is fully digital, meaning that there are no branches, tellers, or lines. So for some, that may be a deal breaker considering they like that physical interaction or they're not as tech savvy. But for those that are fine with it, you can pay your bill online, which is typical these days, and make mobile check deposits with your phone. And of course, you'll receive a business debit card. And since we're mentioning business debit cards, what makes this so interesting is they have some type of rewards points for every $2 spent on eligible business debit card purchases. So it operates sort of like cashback for your credit card. So as you get that one membership point for every $2 spent, you will be able to convert those points into cash and deposit it right back into your account. And of course, with those points rewards, you can use them the same way that you typically do with Amex products, travel, gift cards, and more. Now, if you have any further questions about the membership rewards points, they do break it down a little bit further in the FAQ section of the website. That way that you have a comprehensive understanding of how to earn and redeem these points and get them to your banking account. Now, upon looking further, it looks like deposits will post within 48 hours of each redemption. So keep that in mind as well. And you want to be able to save yourself some time by checking out whether or not you are eligible for the bank account. So for those that are interested in applying for American Express business checking account, in the FAQs it says that you can apply online for a card in as little as 10 minutes. So you'll need to answer some basic questions about your business industry, including your revenue and how you plan to use your online business checking account, which is typical. I went through that same experience with Chase and Novo. In one of my other videos, you'll see me talk about it. Provide an employment identification number or tax identification number and documentation to prove you are a registered business. If you're approved for an account, you'll be able to link an existing bank account, deposit funds, and begin making transactions. Now, once you're actually in the application process, here are all the documents that you're going to need. Again, your EIN or your tax identification number, your articles of organization or a certificate of formation. If you're in Florida, you would go on dos.myflorida.com/sunbiz to get to that information. Next, you want to get the information from a driver's license, state issued ID, or passport for each owner, your social security number, and ID verification for any beneficial owner with ownership of 25% of more. Also, your DBA, so you're doing business as certificate, only if your business operates under more than one name, a U.S. business address, and information about your industry size and purpose of your account. All in all, I think this American Express business bank account is a solid product. If you have any questions or concerns about it, please reach out. Let me know if you have this bank account. Like, comment, subscribe if you enjoy this content. And once again, this is RFBM, Raising the Financial Bar with Mar. Peace, love, blessings. Take care. Be safe out here.
Our own mind has to be changed. We have to change our mind about ourselves.
But this world is such a gimme. Everybody back off. You know, everybody's like to be taught that from school.
I don't come to bow, I come to conquer.